Welcome to the breathtaking Lake Atitlan, located in the western highlands of Guatemala. This lake, which is surrounded by towering volcanoes and lush greenery, is often referred to as one of the most beautiful lakes in the world. The lake is surrounded by several small towns and villages, each with their own unique charm and culture. From the bustling marketplaces of Panayachel to the tranquil, traditional Mayan village of San Juan La Laguna, there is something for everyone here. The lake is also home to a rich ecosystem with a variety of plant and animal life. From the majestic eagles that soar overhead to the vibrant wildflowers that line the shore, the lake is a true paradise for nature lovers. One of the most unique features of the lake is its deep blue color, which is caused by the high altitude and mineral content of the water. This stunning hue is truly something to behold, and it is the reason why the lake is often called the Blue Lagoon. Whether you are looking to explore the local culture, soak up the natural beauty, or simply relax and unwind, Lake Atitlan has something for everyone. So come and experience the magic of this incredible place for yourself. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We hope you enjoyed the stunning beauty of Lake Atitlan, Guatemala.